Should I use Wix for my blog? Yes, using Wix for your blog is a great choice if you want an easy, all-in-one platform that lets you design, write, and publish without needing technical skills. Wix offers a smooth, drag-and-drop editor, built-in blogging tools, and beautiful templates that make it simple to create posts, manage categories, and engage your readers. You'll also get secure hosting, automatic backups, and mobile optimization handled for you, so you can focus entirely on your content instead of technical setup. Wix includes SEO tools, analytics, and design flexibility that help your blog look professional and perform well. You can start free and upgrade later to connect your own domain, remove ads, and unlock more customization options. For most personal blogs, creative projects, or small business blogs, it delivers a fast, reliable way to build an online presence that looks polished and feels effortless to manage. If your goal is to grow a massive blog or add highly advanced features, other platforms like WordPress might offer more flexibility in the long run. But for most creators who value simplicity, design control, and stability, Wix is an excellent option to get started and scale comfortably over time. You can start using Wix for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to create your own professional website at no cost.